lesson for today. Today is Thursday and today is February 22 and the time now here in Pakistan is 10:30 a.m. As you can see the sky, very nice blue and white clouds. 3 to 4 days ago it's very cold and it's raining, also hailstorm and mild snow, and also it's too much air or windy and thunderstorm or lightning. But now it's already changed the weather because spring season is coming and we have to say goodbye again for winter. Alhamdulillah, thanks God, we survived for the whole year and 6 months of winter. Today morning around 10:30 a.m. I have video. It's a pleasant day and sunny day, but now it's changed weather again and it's so windy and little bit snow falling here. And I wash also today because I think there is a good climate, but again weather is not okay. So anytime rain will come or hailstorm or snow, I don't know. So I have to get now my this one dress still not dry. You see, as you can see, snow falling. Ayan. Kanina mga 10:30 a.m. maganda yung yung weather, may sikat ng araw. Pero ngayon lumamig na naman. Kaya weather lang talaga. Ayan. Ay, ang lamig. 3:30 p.m. now, Pakistan time. So ito naman yung mga pine cones na kinuha nila kay kahapon. Ayan, may mga dito mga ayan. Hindi pa ito na open kasi nung 2 to 3 4 days ago nung malakas ang ulan, hangin, kidlat. Lalong-lalo yung lakas ng hangin kaya lahat ng mga pine cones yan, mga kikita nyo yung mga trees dyan ng pine. Ito nahulog, naglaglagan sa sobrang hangin. Kaya ito kinuha nila kay, sabi nila kay marami pa rin doon sa sa yan mga pine trees na yan na nahulog ng mga pine cones. Kaya kahapon sila kay at saka si Fahad kinuha nila ito. Pero pag mo ito, pag i-dry mo sa sa sun, sa sikat ng araw ay magiging open ito totally. Kaya ito, yan, marami yung kinuha nila lakay. Ilang sako ito, ayan. Maganda ito pang gatong. So ito yung yung room na inshallah very soon na uumpisahan. Dahil sa weather nga hindi pa maumpisahan ito. Ayan. Yan yung carpet hindi pa na dry. Yung carpet na nung malakas ang ulan, dito nilagay nila kayo. Kaya pa-dry pa lang. Ayan. Ang lamig. Malamig na naman. Grabe. Ayan. Time check, 3:30 p.m. Pakistan time. Morning time, I have video around 10:30 a.m. It's a pleasant and sunny day. Pero ngayon, nag-change na naman ang weather. Malamig. Malakas ang hangin and at the same time, ayan, may snow falling konti. Kaya naglaba ako kasi akala ko maganda yung weather climate kanina. Pero ito sana hindi lakasan itong snow kaya baka uulan na naman. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Kikita nyo yung mga snow falling dyan. Ayan sila kay galing siya sa where you go there up? Then this one then ito yung pine cones. This already closed, but when you put in sun this one it will be open na. Kaya rasbay? Rasbay ka?
Rasbay miss
Eh? Ayan. Panggatong. Naka-close pa. Kasi bagong hulog ito. So, i-ano ito, we will put this one in sun, then become open na. Ah. Then this one, if will open, then become very heavy. And this one, if will dry and open, it will become, how many sacks this one? How many sacks this one, if will open? It will become 4 sacks because it will open this one and this is closed.